criminal justice system is able to help the country to be stable and safe for all our citizens and all other people who are lawfully in our country. I am happy, therefore, to confirm that we have signed a renewal of the joint security compact between Kenya and the United Kingdom. I want also to confirm that we have looked at possibly expanding the areas of cooperation under the compact. And one of the things that is an outcome of what we have just signed off is that we have identified the need to strengthen the flow of illicit financial activities and to be able to rein in on money laundering and the financing of terrorism and other illegal activities. Other than that, we have also signed a letter of intent for cooperation between Kenya and the United Kingdom in information sharing with regard to maritime security. And therefore, going forward, our teams will be finalizing on the action plan so that our two countries can collaborate in enhancing maritime security by sharing information and learning from the experiences of each other. Other than that, we have also been able to sign off this morning. Approach will be to continue strengthening the ordinary day-to-day policing activities, but at the same time, we want to continually develop the capacity of our tactical specialized units within the National Police Service that help us to combat, to detect, and also combat complicated and sophisticated criminal activities, including the cattle rustling and banditry, terrorism, and also money laundering. And therefore, the support that is being given to the tactical arms or units within our National Police Service will go a long way in enhancing Kenya's preparedness to ensure that we have a stable country which is good for our citizens and to all other people who are within our territory. I also want to make 2-3 other remarks before I invite my counterpart to make his remarks. And firstly is to say that the friendship between Kenya and the United Kingdom is long-standing, it is entrenched, and it is long-term. We appreciate what the United Kingdom has done to support Kenya on the basis of mutual respect and reciprocity over the years. And we have no reservations whatsoever to work our way out and to make sure that we sustain this relationship so that the people of our two countries